Hey guys, today me try understand why equality is impossible under capitalism, and me already feel brain melt. Right now, me stand in front of giant, glowing bank rock. Me shout at man in suit, why you have 7 fire huts and me still eat lizard stew in mud. He smile and say hard work pays off. But me been working since mammoth times, and only thing that pay off is more back pain. Next thing me know, me get kicked out of marketplace for not having enough credit sticks. What be credit? What be stick? Why everybody talk about bootstrap when me not even own boot? Me try sell handmade squirrel hats, nobody buy. One man throw acorn at me, another say not scalable. Me realize this no fair hunting ground, this system, it called capitalism. And everyone keeps saying all men created equal. But why some born inside Gold Mountain and others born inside Debt Hole? If you no learn this, you end up cold, broke, and alone in mud pit. Or worse, you become man who say poor people just lazy. So before you sit comfy on mammoth skin, smash like button and hit magic scribe stick. But only if what me say make you smile or think. Tell Caveman in comments, where your cave, what moon time. Now grab your stone seat, hold on to your beard, and let's walk into the firelight of today's hunt. So me go ask smart elder, what be equality? He scratch beard, point to cloud, say, everyone should have same chance to climb. Me nod, me like climb except me leg broken, another man already halfway up tree, in golden elevator sipping fruit juice. Then me ask, what be capitalism? Elder say, is system where people trade, build, compete. Those who work hard win. Me confused. So, no one share mammoth anymore, he laugh. No, now you buy mammoth, with digital stone called money. Me go to tribe market, me see some sell meat, others sell lies. One man sell bottled rainwater for 10 shiny coins. Another sell broken shoes and call it vintage. Me try sell honesty, nobody buy. Then bankers say to me, Caveman, the beauty of capitalism is everyone starts the same. You just need grind mindset. Me look around. One man born in Gold Cave with business father. Another man born in hole next to sewer stream. Me whisper, this no same starting line, this Hunger Games with necktie. Elder say, well, system not perfect, but it better than nothing. Me reply, so if system fair, why me always behind? Why some tribe members carry 10 backpacks of gold while others carry invisible chains? Then me learn new phrase, meritocracy. Me thought it mean glorious hunt by worthy, but it really mean winner tell story and pretend no one helped them. Man say, I build everything myself, then me see his uncle own the ladder factory. Equality under capitalism? Me think it more like equal chance to enter race where track already slope uphill for some. And some start with shoes, others barefoot, and cavemen, me still looking for the map. Caveman start to notice, everyone in tribe worship something called capitalism dream. It not God or sacred goat, it money idea, like big invisible promise in sky. They say, anyone can be rich. You just need to hustle hard. Work 18 hours, sleep 2, drink beetroot coffee, invest in rock coin, manifest destiny. Me hear these chants everywhere. Scroll Cave, TikTok, Talking Stone, YouTube, Fire Screamer X. Even baby wear shirt that say born to grind. Cavemen start to believe. Me get excited. Me think maybe me too become fire billionaire. Maybe me build giant hut, fill it with cheese snacks and lava lamps. So me follow advice. Wake up before sun, yell alpha mindset at mirror, sell 9 squirrel hats a day, still broke, neighbor who sleep all day, win lottery, and now drive flying goat machine. Me ask tribe, why system favor lucky man? They say luck just part of it, maybe he manifest harder. Me no understand, me scream into cloud, me manifest with all me soul. Another tribe member say capitalism give freedom, you know like job start your own cave brand. So me try, Me start Fire Rock Co. sell shiny hot rocks, but Big Tribe already sells same thing with free delivery, cool logo, and influencer chimpanzee. Me ask how they do this. Elders say they got funding from Venture Shaman. Me try Meat Shaman. He say, you too risky, no proven fire scalability. Me realize freedom exists, but only if you already have tools, map, and connection to Wi-Fi God. Capitalism tell beautiful bedtime story. All you need is hard work. But real story? Some tribe born with map, torch, and helicopter. Others handed spoon and told to dig. Still, many worship system like religion, because it give hope. False hope sometimes, but still, better than nothing. Caveman just wish system not built like obstacle course made of lava, spikes, and tax forms. Okay, me believe tribe, me say fine. Me build dream, me grind harder than anyone. So me open own stand, Caveman Fire Rocks, hotter than your ex. Catchy slogan, right? First moon me sell 3 rocks, one to cousin, one to pity woman, one stolen by child, but me hopeful. Then, disaster. Rival tribe launch Fire Rock app. Customers order on shiny glass tablet, drone bird deliver rock in 5 minutes, and it sing birthday song. Me scream how they train drone bird. They also give free sample, free delivery, and free squirrel with first purchase. Me lower price. Still lose. Next moon, Big Tribe put billboard. Why buy from Dirty Caveman? We have venture magic and premium UX. Me ask banker for help. He say, you have credit score. Me say, no, me have real score from last spear fight, 11 points. He throw me out. Then taxes come. Me cry. Then lawyer sends scroll. Trademark infringement. Your logo too similar to flaming emoji. Me business die. Me crawl back to mud pit. Me eat expired acorn. Me dream of drone bird. Now me owe shiny coins to many tribe members. Even cousin want refund. Me say you ate the rock. He say still want refund. This when Caveman realize capitalism no just about work. It about system, network, scale, timing, and rich tribe who crush little tribe like pebble under mammoth foot. Also, Caveman forgot one rule. In capitalism, if you not grow, you die. And Caveman, me just wanted warm fire, not global empire. Me thought me was starting fair race. But me not know rival tribe riding electric horse while cavemen still tie sandals with vines. Fair, maybe in spirit. But system tilt like slippery slope, and caveman end up face down, with squirrel chewing his receipt. After caveman fail at business, me try learn secret cheat codes. Me ask, how that guy, Chad Firepants, go from nothing to owning half the valley in one moon cycle? Elder whisper, he not go from nothing. His papa own mammoth farm, his mama own hut factory, his uncle king of tax scrolls. Me blink, me scream, that not nothing! So me study this strange thing called inheritance. It like magic spell, where you get land, gold, education, and mammoth fleet just by being born in right cave. Me try marry rich cave daughter. She smile say, oh, you so humble. Then her papa see me squirrel loincloth and say, security! Caveman heartbreak again. Me learn 70% of tribe land passed down through family. Same with shiny money sticks, magic degrees, and secret club memberships. Me say, wait, you mean some people born already halfway up ladder, while caveman still search for tree to cut ladder from? They say yes, but we call it family values. Me join feast where one man say, I built all this myself. Me ask, who gave you gold to start? He say, my father. Me ask, who trained you? He say, private shaman. Me ask, who hired you first? He say, uncle. Caveman understand, rich tribe pass down more than gold. They pass down safety net, connections, confidence, wiggle room to fail. Meanwhile, poor tribe pass down debt, hunger, lessons in survival, not success. Caveman not angry at lucky baby just born with silver spear. But cavemen frustrated that everyone pretend this no make difference. System say everyone start equal, while baby already got map, torch, and 12 lawyers. Me learn, in capitalism, past no stay in past. It echo through wallets, and inheritance, it not just gift, it's shortcut, it's silent partner in every deal. Me look at own legacy. Me father leave me one wooden spoon in suspicious rash. Me not bitter, me just tired. After cavemen fail business and romance, me say, okay, maybe me do this right way. Honest path, climb slow. So me go try 3 sacred tools of tribe: school, job, side hustle with motivational bamboo stick. First, me go school cave. Teacher say, knowledge is power. Me excited, me raise hand. Then she say, but you must pay 40,000 shiny coins per season. Me say, can me pay with squirrel hats? She say no. So me borrow money from angry lending owl. Now me owe 120,000 coins, and me still not know what interest rate mean. Then me try get job, me wear tie, it choke me. Me hand tribe elder scroll with skills, he say you no have experience. Me say how me get experience if no one give job, he say not my problem, next. Caveman confused. Me meet another tribe member with worse scroll, he get job, why? Because his papa hunt with boss's uncle. Aha, hidden ladder. Then me try side hustle. Me sell bone combs online. Internet shaman say you need brand, audience, ads, SEO, funnel, email list, and consistent content strategy. Me say me just want sell comb. They say you also need camera, lighting, and viral squirrel. Caveman scream into cloud. These tools supposed to be equal, right? Everyone can go school, everyone can apply job, everyone can start hustle. But caveman realize, tool no work, same for everyone. Some tribe go best schools, others stuck in overcrowded learning huts. Some walk indoor with family name, others wait outside until guard fall asleep. Some sell same thing, but one has money to buy ad space, sponsor influencer, and hire dancing owl. Quality? On paper, yes. In practice, no. System full of invisible walls. Me learn, it not enough to say door open. If path to door full of spikes, traps, and financial bears, it's still not fair. And caveman tired of fighting shadow rules. At this point, caveman no longer just sad, caveman mad. Me ask elder, why system so bent? Why every rule seem to benefit already rich tribe? Elder sigh, because rich tribe write the rules. Caveman brain explode. Turns out those who sit in golden huts don't just collect coins. They fund rule makers, build ladders only they can climb, and throw fancy feasts for law shamans. They say tax must be paid by all, but then they whisper, except if you hide coins in offshore banana vault. Caveman see one tribe pay 30% of their shiny coins in tax. Rich tribe pay 2% or none. How? They say we use loophole. Very legal, very elite. Cavemen try loophole. Tribe guards say you? No, that only for companies with 7 lawyers and a private owl. One day cavemen hear news. Tribe passed new rule, no tax on imported mammoth meat. Who pushed rule? Rich tribe who own mammoth meat company. Me scream again. Also, me notice, when cavemen protest outside Firebank, tribe guards arrive fast. When big tribe destroy forest to build gold resort, no guard come. They say that business, that legal. Caveman realize capitalism, not just economic system. It political system wearing fake mustache. Rich tribe fund leaders. Leaders pass rules, rules protect rich tribe. Repeat. Then me ask, is capitalism evil? Elders say, not exactly, but when wealth concentrates, power follows, and system tilt until table break. Caveman vision this. A feast where all pretend table is round, but rich tribe sit on throne, eating flaming steak. Poor tribe on floor, fighting over spilled crumbs. Cavemen not want destroy table. Cavemen just want seat. But systems say, earn your seat. Then tie caveman shoelaces together and spin table away. Now me see, as long as rule makers benefit from imbalance, true equality stay myth, like unicorn or honest landlord, and until system change who hold pen. Cavemen stuck living in story written by someone else. After many moons of smashing head on system wall, cavemen sit by fire, quiet. No scrolls, no apps, just thought. Me think, maybe me been looking at wrong thing. Maybe system not evil, just built like ancient tree. Some tribe born on branches, close to fruit with sun and breeze. Others born at roots, dark, tangled, always reaching. Capitalism say, you all have freedom to climb. But it forget to mention, some start near top, some wear climbing shoes, others tied to rock and told just work harder. That not equal, that not fair, that just blind. Caveman remember old tribal hunt. Every member no carry same weight. Elder carry wisdom, youth carry speed, warrior carry spear, me carry snacks. but we share meat, we balance roles, we hunt together. Modern tribe, everyone compete to bring biggest meat, even if others starve. Caveman now understand. Equality not mean same result. It mean removing traps, sharing maps, and lifting others when their path's steeper. Capitalism good at growing forest, but bad at planting trees in poor soil. It rewards climb, but forgets those born in cave underground. So me ask, can capitalism be more fair without pretending to be equal? Maybe yes. Maybe if rules change. Maybe if ladders shared. Maybe if tree no tilt toward just one sun. But first, system must stop pretending that everyone starts same. Because caveman tired of hearing, just climb. While rope tied to tail and rich tribe throw banana peels from top. Me not want banana, me want balance. That, friends, is caveman wisdom. Not fancy, not rich, but real. Cavemen sit one last time under moonlight. Me look at stars. Think about tribe. Think about fire and trade and shiny coins that make some fat and others invisible. Me no hate capitalism. It clever, it dynamic. It builds sky towers and singing toilets. But capitalism no built for equality. It built for growth, and growth like fire, no care where it spreads, it just burn. System reward speed, not struggle. Reward scale, not soul. Cavemen tried everything. Start business, crushed by drone. Get education, crushed by debt rock. Climb ladder, ladder guarded by man named Brent, who say access denied. So now me ask, if everyone keeps shouting work harder, but never ask why hole deeper for some who system really for? Maybe fairness no mean everyone get same slice. Maybe it mean everyone get plate to start with. Maybe equality no mean forcing same outcome. Maybe it mean removing the boulders only some tribes face. And maybe, just maybe, progress not when everyone become billionaire, but when no one live in mud, eating expired squirrel. So if you still believe in system, good, but also question it, push it, bend it, break a few scrolls, because caveman not want to burn tree down, caveman just want roots watered. And if caveman wisdom made you laugh, cry, or smash something gently, subscribe to Caveman channel, or caveman haunt you in next life as motivational squirrel. Ooga booga.